In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Messenger. Meta AI is a powerful tool that allows you to ask questions, get recommendations, generate content, and hold conversations right inside Messenger. This can be incredibly useful for getting quick answers or sparking creativity without ever leaving your chat app. Let's dive into how you can start using this feature today. First, let's start a chat with Meta AI. Begin by opening Messenger on your device. Once you have Messenger open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to finding Meta AI. Now tap on that search bar, type in Meta AI, and watch as the search results appear. Select Meta AI from these results, and you are ready to go. Type a question or a prompt and send it off. This action will allow Meta AI to work its magic. For example, you could ask, "What are some healthy dinner ideas?" or explain quantum computing in simple terms. You might even ask for help writing a birthday message. These are just a few ways to utilize Meta AI's capabilities. Remember, this feature is here to make your life easier by providing quick answers and creative content ideas. Next up, let's explore using Meta AI in a group chat. Open up a Messenger group chat that you're already part of. Now, to engage Meta AI, type @Meta AI followed by your request. Send this message off to the group. It's as simple as that. For instance, you might say, @Meta AI suggest 3 team-building activities. If the feature is available, Meta AI will respond right within the conversation. This makes it easy to get input from Meta AI while still chatting with your friends or colleagues. Now, let's talk about asking follow-up questions. One of the great things about Meta AI is that it remembers the context of your current chat. This means you can continue the conversation naturally. Try asking for more details by saying, "Give me more details," or make a request like, "Make the explanation simpler." You could even say, "Provide 5 more examples." This ensures that Meta AI can adapt to your needs as the conversation unfolds. Moving on, let's discuss how to get recommendations from Meta AI. You can ask for suggestions on a variety of topics. Think about things like restaurants, movies, travel destinations, gift ideas, and study resources. For example, you might ask, "Recommend some family-friendly movies for the weekend." This can be especially helpful when you're looking for new experiences or trying to plan something special. Finally, managing your Meta AI chat is straightforward. You can open the Meta AI conversation anytime from Messenger. This allows you to continue previous chats or start a completely new topic. The chat options menu is there to help you manage your messages. You can choose to mute, archive, or even delete the conversation if you desire. This flexibility ensures that you have control over your interactions with Meta AI. With these steps, you are now equipped to fully utilize Meta AI on Messenger. Take advantage of this tool to enhance your conversations and make your interactions more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.